Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily make a deposit using P2P on Binance in Trust Wallet. From Binance to Trust Wallet, we go to our Trust Wallet, enter the password, after which I see I have $0. To buy, there are 5 buttons below. The first is send, the second is receive, and the third is buy. We click on buy. Here is the wallet, and we see different currencies that we want to transfer from Binance. Let's transfer Bitcoin, click. On Bitcoin, or let's better go with USDT, the most popular currency. Choosing Binance Smart Chain, we want to transfer, say, $100. There's a recommendation below that we can translate. By the way, you can choose a bank here, as well as select the country, and so on. Let's choose the best one, the lower one in Odessa. That's where we click the credit card. Then select P2P and Binance Connect. Click on Binance Connect. Next, we click the buy option using P2P, which then seamlessly redirects us to the Binance platform. The loading of our Binance is complete, after which we can send the price to Trust Wallet, choosing what we want, Pay, Apple Pay, Visa card, etc. After that, everything will be processed and paid. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this method was really helpful for you. It's useful. See you soon.